When we talk about sea killers, you might imagine large creatures like sharks and whales. However, this time on the Versa Vista channel, we plan to share 10 facts about a small sea creature with an exceptionally high attack speed named Mantis Shrimp.
What did you say? What's the meaning of this?
Please stay with us until the end of the video. Shrimps don't only refer to the tiny creatures on your plate when you eat at a seafood restaurant. They also refer to a kind of monster named the Mantis Shrimp. Look, if the Mantis Shrimp looked anything like the mixture of a mantis and a shrimp, it wouldn't even be scary. It would be a regular weird-shaped animal that lived in the deep, and there are many such animals. It would not be a terrifying beast of nature, but it is indeed a terrifying beast. And here are 10 reasons why you should be scared of the Mantis Shrimp. Number 1. They have really, really good sight. One thing a successful predator must have is a great sense organ, whether it be the sense of smell or sight. It must be unparalleled, and it's the same for the Mantis Shrimp. The shrimp has good vision. It has the most complex set of eyes in the animal kingdom. No other animal has eyes that come even close to what the Mantis Shrimp has. Each eye of the Mantis Shrimp has 12 photoreceptors that allow them to sense different kinds of color. You may think that 12 photoreceptors aren't too many until you learn that the human eye only has 3 kinds of cells for seeing color. These 3 cells only see red, blue, and green colors. Some researchers have even said the Mantis Shrimp may view the world in a psychedelic rainbow of vibrant colors that we cannot possibly understand. However, that's not the entire truth. A study has shown that these scary creatures may be able to see more colors than we can imagine, but they are worse at differentiating between subtle hue vibrations than we are. The study demonstrated that when Mantis Shrimp are shown colors with a wavelength difference of fewer than 25 nanometers, they cannot tell them apart. So, get this. Mantis Shrimp have better sight than human beings, but at the same time, we have better sight than them. Sounds right? In a way, the Mantis Shrimp have optic abilities that are on a completely different level than our own. It functions more like a satellite than anything. Interestingly, scientists believe that the Mantis Shrimp do not process the information that gets into their brains. It just gets there. They also have independently roaming eyes and a triocular vision, which also means that they are great hunters. Number 2. They are not shrimp. Yes, we know that they are named Mantis Shrimps, but strictly speaking, they are neither mantis nor shrimp. Yet, they just have the name. They certainly don't have the game. So, if they aren't shrimps and they aren't mantises, what are they? Well, they belong to a group of animals called stomatopods. These stomatopods are distant relatives of shrimp, crabs, and lobsters. No wonder they are called Mantis Shrimp. Somehow, we don't think it would have been wise to call them Mantis stomatopods. First off, that's a pretty unwieldy name, and second of all, it isn't half as catchy as Mantis Shrimp. Number 3. Due to the electrical force hidden in the striking organ, the power behind the punches of the Mantis Shrimp is transferred to a club-like appendage on this creature. This appendage acts like a spring, storing and then releasing electrical energy. This process allows the Mantis Shrimp to exhibit one of the most powerful punch impacts in the animal kingdom. Their claws have a highly compact structure. When they want to perform a defensive move, this compactness increases, storing more energy within, and as a result, this tense state is released from their claws. The intense pressure in their claws builds up, causing them to exert a force 10,000 times greater than the force of gravity. Number 4. They have a secret language. A secret language is pretty much a definite sign of nefarious activities, and mantis shrimp have a secret language that's quite unlike any other. They're one of the few creatures who can see polarized light, and this has allowed them to develop a secret language that no other species can crack. And yes, that includes humans. But how does this language go? Well, mantis shrimp have a feathery feeding appendage called maxillipedes. These appendages are marked with iridescent blue spots. The cells in this appendage weirdly reflect light. Instead of bouncing light onto a reflective structure as humans do, these cells redistribute light across the spot surface. This light is now visible to other mantis shrimp, and it allows them to communicate with members of their species while hiding from predators. Number 5. Older than dinosaurs. How old do you think mantis shrimps are? 10,000 years old? 100,000 years old? 500,000? Well, right, you would be wrong. The mantis shrimp is about 400 million years old, and they were on Earth about 170 million years before the first dinosaurs appeared on our fair planet. The biology and evolution of mantis shrimp are so weird that they have been referred to as the shrimp from Mars. Yeah, scientists joked that this horror of a crustacean could not have evolved on Earth. Of course, it's a joke, but jokes say a lot. Number 6. The mantis shrimp's second pair of thoracic appendages have been highly adapted for powerful close-range combat. The appendage differences divide mantis shrimp into 2 main types: those that hunt by impaling their prey with spear-like structures, and those that smash prey with a powerful blow from a heavily mineralized club-like appendage. A considerable amount of damage can be inflicted after impact with these robust, hammer-like claws. This club is further divided into 3 subregions: the impact region, the periodic region, and the striated region. Number 7. Scary sounds. It's only natural that an animal that looks as terrifying as the mantis shrimp would have an equally terrifying mating call. Mantis shrimps found in California are known to make low growling sounds that would instill the fear of God in you. These growling sounds are emitted by male mantis shrimp at dawn and are mostly made when the shrimps are hunting for food or guarding their homes. Number 8. There are almost 550 species of mantis shrimp. I know it's too much. They all come in different sizes too. Some are about 1 inch tall, while others could grow as long as a foot. And grotesquely? Yes. Because what you're about to learn is rather depraved, these animals are classified by their killing method. It's either by smashing their sun-powered clubs or by spearing. These species' spears have 2 sharp appendages on the front of their body built for introducing their prey to the world of pain, of death. At this point, you have to pity the animals that the mantis shrimp picks on. How can you be hunted by 2 groups of animals where one needs only 1 punch to break through your body and send you to the 7th heaven, and the other, literally, has spears bioengineered on it? It's really a hard life. Number 9. The mantis shrimp is a fascinating looking creature, but there's a reason you won't find them in your typical aquarium. Despite their cool appearance, mantis shrimps can be a bit dangerous. They have super strong punches that could break a regular glass tank. So, if you want a mantis shrimp in an aquarium, it needs to be in a special shatterproof acrylic tank. Also, it should be the only occupant in there. Putting it with other animals might turn them into unintentional punching bags. Number 10, and the last one, is in the world of mantis shrimp, Known for their powerful punches, some of them find a lifelong partner. They stick together, have babies, and live in the same home. This might seem odd, but it actually helps them stay safe from predators. Choosing one friend means they don't have to go out searching for food too much, keeping them hidden from danger. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We have plenty more thrilling animal videos like this waiting for you on our channel.